This is the DLT 45 tool system. It swedges with 45 tons of force with a 360-degree die, typically requiring only one swedge per cable or rod. We use this for our full tension cable connections, substation cable connections, and ground rod connections. Tool comes apart like this. This is the upper head assembly. The die is held in place with a couple of die plates. It fits in there loose, and that's what allows us to swedge 360 degrees around the fitting. We put it together this way. It works on a 10,000 psi pressure pump. We've got a piece of cable here. Looks like 397 size cable with a 2-hole lug. The fittings come preloaded with AFC compound. They also have an inspection weep hole for any water moisture, and you also can tell that you got your cable all the way inserted. So preparation, you wire brush your cable like you normally would. You insert it into the fitting barrel. Check, make sure it's inserted. That goes into your die. There's some lines on the fitting to show you proper insertion. Then you compress the 10,000 psi pump. It goes all the way to 10,000 psi, and then when it bottoms out right here, it pops and releases, and that's your compression. All it takes is one compression. There's very limited, if any at all, bird caging or expansion. With one swedge, you don't have any banana effect on your cable, and that's fantastic for substations, one swedge. They're available with twin barrels, where each barrel is just one swedge. We also have extra long barrels for repair of cables where you cut off an existing connector and have to insert another connector on the same wire. We also have grounding connections, same principle, copper splice. This could be used for a ground rod or a cable. We've got a 250 MCM cable connection in here. Works the same way. Slide this fitting in here, actuate the 10,000 psi. That compresses evenly on the swedge. Pump stops at 10,000 psi. Open it up. Single swedge. That's passed all the IEEE 837 qualifications for tension pull, fault current, corrosion. We also make it in T's, elbows, crosses, in different configurations. There's a check gauge that you use after compression to check and make sure that you got a proper compression on either the cable or the grounding fittings.